on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we're working on a M235I, and we're gonna be installing Vrsf catless downpipe. It is a single turbo twin scroll, guys, so it's just one downpipe, but it then in the muffler it goes to a dual tip.
Cam here's M235. We're gonna be doing a Vrsf downpipe. He's going catless. Right now we're just tackling these bolts. We're reusing the OEM V-bands and everything, and the bolts are really rusty. We just heated them up and sprayed them down with some penetrating fluid, but if you want to get the flash there, we're just getting that off. If you guys are struggling with that, maybe you can give it a couple taps with a hammer or a ball pin or something. It'd probably get it out if it's seized like ours. Black is bank 1, sensor 1. I'm gonna just mark them out. These are the gray ones. I'm gonna mark them out just so I put them in the exact same place as they were before.
Caught it.
Catch it, hold it up.
No, I didn't.
I did catch you, I saw that.
I have it on video. As you see, it's a true straight pipe. And he has a resonator delete here. Then over to the end factory where it splits off into a dual tip.
Changing the, switching over the O2 sensors. The black one is going to be bank 1, sensor 1, like I said, and then the gray one is going to be sensor 2. Yeah. Put some anti-seize on them. Just tank here. Flash me. So guys, we put the oxygen sensors back. I marked one of them down so they're in the same spot. They got these little slots, and they also got these pins, or sorry, these clips on the side, these metal clips to hold them. It just doesn't let them get too close to the exhaust. We put the clips on and we put an extra piece of tape around them to hold them even more secure.
Gotta bolt the downpipe to the exhaust, and then we'll be able to start it up and hear what it sounds like.
Now we're getting the last 2 V-bands on. The new downpipe doesn't utilize the bracket that comes with the OEM one. OEM catted downpipe, so just leave that out. Don't forget to put the 2 transmission bolts back in though, because that's what holds the bracket up. But yeah, now we're just tightening down the V-band, and as we're doing here, do not use the old ones, guys. Get some new V-bands. You're just going to want to leave them both loose, tight by hand, until you adjust it. Generally, you want to have it fit in the right position, so put both the V-bands on, just hand tight, and then adjust it to where the pipe is uniform fit around all the surfaces. Yeah.
Sitting perfectly.
Yeah. So I know
sir. Hold on, you got one more. Gotta close the hood or no? That's fucking
I like it!
sick.
I like it!
Way louder than it used to be.
Yeah, the pops are loud as shit. Smells like ass. What's a fucking rev my car? You want to hear some real pops. Shit doesn't pop.
Did it used to make that turbo spool like that?
Yeah?
But
The
it-
intake, but it sounds a lot louder.
Now I
It
hear
smells
like
like ass. All the oil I sprayed is
go
burning
listen
off.
to it, go listen to it.
Smoke it up inside.
you hear that.
The turbo spool is retarded.
Guys, this is no burble tune. This is just natural pops. It's crazy. Yo, this thing rips. When you tap on the gas, it makes it pop.
Yeah.
That's sick. Does it feel faster?
A little bit.
Like a little bit.
Yeah. Once the tune comes in.
It's gonna feel night and day.
Yeah.
Oh, those shifts sound nice. It goes like a
Doesn't pump like that.
like when you're
Yeah, when you're done.
downshift.
Usually when you tap the gas, it's pump.
It does like a 1-2. Sick, bro. Thanks for giving me a ride, bro. That was sick.